Is power a game? According to Robert Greene's The 48 Laws of Power, it absolutely is. And in this book, Greene lays out 48 timeless principles to navigate, win, and thrive in the complex world of influence and strategy. Each law is designed to teach you how to gain and maintain power, from mastering subtle persuasion to managing relationships in competitive environments. This book provides lessons inspired by historical figures from Napoleon to Machiavelli. One of the most intriguing laws is Law 1: Never outshine the master. It emphasizes the importance of humanity and making others feel secure in their positions. Another standout is Law 15: Crush your enemy totally, which warns against half measures in conflicts. What makes the 48 Laws of Power so impactful is its balance of historical storytelling and actionable insights. It's not just a manual for leaders, it's also a lens to understand human behavior and the unspoken rule of power dynamics. But fair warning, this book isn't for everyone. Some may find it advice manipulative or even controversial. However, it's an eye opener for those who wants to understand the mechanisms of power in relationships, business or life. So if you are ready to explore the rules of power, I have linked the book in the description below, and you can also listen to it as an audiobook for free on Amazon Audible trial. It's a fascinating read or listen that might just change how you approach life. Have you read the 48 Laws of Power? Which law resonates most with you? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't checked it out yet, it's a must read for anyone looking to understand the hidden strategies behind the influence. Thank you so much for watching.